Women do this when thinking about you. Hey there, it's Anna. Have you ever caught yourself wondering if you are on a woman's mind? Well, today we are uncovering the subtle yet unmistakable things women do when they are thinking about you. So by the end of this video, you will be able to recognize these telltale signs and get a glimpse into her thoughts all about you. Also, make sure to watch until the very end for an essential bonus tip that complements everything we've covered. This tip will enhance your approach and deepen your understanding of these signals. And it's a crucial piece of advice that you won't want to miss. Sending unprompted messages. A key indicator is when she sends you unprompted messages. These spontaneous texts or messages can reveal a lot about her thoughts. So why are these messages sent without any specific reason important to notice? Well, unprompted messages, those texts or messages sent just to check in or share a random thought, are often a telltale sign that she's thinking about you. It might be a funny meme, a photo, or just simply asking how your day is going. These messages suggest that you are on her mind and she feels comfortable enough to reach out spontaneously. The content might be trivial, but the act itself speaks volumes. It shows she wants to maintain a connection with you even outside of specific contexts or necessities. It's her way of saying that you are a presence in her daily life. And receiving unprompted messages from her is significant because it indicates a level of interest and comfort in communicating with you. It's not just about keeping the conversation going, it's about her wanting to include you in her day-to-day life. And this behavior often signifies that she values your connection and enjoys your interaction enough to initiate contact on her own. Sharing songs or movies with you. Our next point is all about when she shares songs, movies, or books with you. Now, it's more than just sharing interests, there's often a deeper implication. So let's look at why her sharing media that reminds her of you or that she thinks you would enjoy can be significant. Now, when a woman shares a song, a movie, or a book with you, particularly one that reminds her of you or that she believes you will appreciate, it's a subtle yet meaningful gesture. It indicates that she associates certain things with you, which is a sign you are on her mind. And this act of sharing is also a way to deepen your connection, as it often invites further discussion and shared experiences. It can be a way of saying, "This made me think of you," or "I think we have this in common." This sharing is a thoughtful way to express her interest and establish a more personal bond. Sharing songs, movies, or books is significant because it reveals that she's actively thinking about you and your tastes. It's an intimate form of communication, suggesting she's invested in understanding and connecting with you on a deeper level. This behavior often reflects an emotional attachment and a desire to create shared moments and memories. Asking about your day regularly. It's a simple question, but when asked consistently, it can mean so much more. So let's delve into the importance of her routinely asking about how your day went. Now, when she makes a habit of asking about your day, it's an indication that she is genuinely interested in your life. This regular check-in is more than just a polite gesture. It's a sign that she cares about your well-being and experiences. Asking about your day shows that she wants to be involved in your life, even in the small, seemingly mundane aspects. It's a way for her to stay connected with you, to understand your world, and offer support or empathy where needed. Her consistent interest in your daily experiences reflects a deeper level of care and attachment. Her regularly asking about your day is significant because it demonstrates ongoing attention and concern. It's a gesture that indicates she values your connection and wants to be a part of your everyday life. And this consistent engagement is often a clear sign of thinking about you and wanting to maintain a close and personal relationship. Initiating plans to meet. Now let's consider the significance when she is the one initiating plans to meet up. It's an action that speaks volumes about her intentions. So let's explore what it means when she takes the initiative to spend time with you. When a woman takes the lead in making plans to meet, it's a strong indicator that she's eager to spend time with you. This proactive approach suggests that she doesn't just enjoy your company, but actively seeks it. Her initiating these plans could be for casual outings, coffee dates, or activities that she thinks you would both enjoy. This behavior goes beyond mere politeness. It shows a desire to create opportunities for interaction and connection. It's her way of saying that your presence is important to her and that she wants to build on the relationship that you share. Her initiative in planning meetups is significant because it demonstrates a clear interest in cultivating a closer relationship with you. It suggests that she values your company and is willing to put effort into seeing you. And this kind of assertive reaction often indicates a deeper level of affection and a desire for more meaningful interactions. Liking the content? A quick like and comment would mean a lot. Your feedback is essential in determining what we cover next, so share your thoughts below. Giving you thoughtful gifts. Let's talk about the thoughtfulness behind gift giving. It's worth paying attention when she presents you with gifts, especially those that are tailored to your interests. So let's understand why this gesture can be a significant indicator of her thoughts about you. Giving thoughtful gifts is a way of showing that she's been thinking about you and paying attention to what you like. Now, these aren't just random presents. They are often carefully chosen based on your interests, conversations you've had, or even small details that you've mentioned. Whether it's a book that you've wanted to read, a gadget that fits your hobby, or something that reminded her of you, these gifts show that she listens and values your likes and dislikes. And this level of consideration in her gifts is a clear sign of affection and an indication that you occupy a special place in her thoughts. The act of giving you thoughtful gifts is significant because it reflects a deeper level of care and connection. It's not just about the material item, it's about the meaning and thought behind it. This behavior suggests that she's not only remembering the details about you, but also wants to make you happy with her thoughtful gestures. It's a tender way of expressing that she's been thinking about you and cherishing your relationship. Expressing excitement to see you. It's a spontaneous and genuine reaction that can reveal a lot. So let's delve into why her showing excitement or happiness about meeting you is a noteworthy sign. When she openly expresses excitement or joy at the prospect of seeing you, it's a clear indication of her positive feelings towards you. This could manifest as a bright smile, an enthusiastic message, or even her verbal expression of looking forwards to your next meeting. These reactions are spontaneous and hard to fake, making them reliable indicators of her genuine feelings. Her excitement shows that your presence brings her happiness and that she values the time that she spends with you. It's a sign that she enjoys your company and is emotionally invested in your interactions. Her expressing excitement to see you is significant because it reflects her authentic emotions and eagerness about your relationship. This kind of enthusiasm is a strong indicator of affection and interest. It shows that she not only thinks about you but also anticipates and cherishes the moments that she gets to spend with you. Asking about your future plans. Now, it's not just casual curiosity, there's often a deeper implication. So let's explore the significance of her interest in your long-term plans and what it might indicate about her feelings. Now, when she asks about your future plans, whether they are career ambitions, travel dreams, or personal goals, it shows that she's interested in your life beyond the present moment. This kind of inquiry suggests that she's thinking about how you fit into her future or how she might be a part of yours. Her questions about the future indicate that she sees potential in your relationship, extending beyond the current context. It's a way for her to gauge the direction you are heading in and potentially align her plans with yours. This forward-thinking approach signifies a deeper level of consideration and investment in your relationship. Now, her asking about your future plans is significant because it demonstrates forward thinking and a desire for deeper involvement in your life. It's an indication that she's considering a more significant, possibly long-term connection with you, and this behavior reflects her interest in not just being a part of your present, but also envisioning a shared future. Bonus tip: open and honest communication. This is key in understanding and responding to these signs. So let's discuss how effective communication can deepen your connection and provide clarity in your interactions with her. Open and honest communication involves expressing your thoughts, feelings, and intentions clearly and listening attentively to hers. Now, when she exhibits signs of thinking about you, such as sharing songs or asking about your day, respond with genuine interest and share your own thoughts. If you are unsure about her intentions, it's okay to ask for clarification in a respectful way. Open communication fosters a deeper understanding and prevents misunderstandings. It allows both of you to be on the same page and build a connection based on transparency and trust. Remember, effective communication is not just about speaking, but also about listening and understanding. Practicing open and honest communication is valuable because it builds a foundation of trust and mutual understanding. It ensures that your relationship is based on authenticity and respect, and this practice strengthens your connection, making it more likely to develop into a healthy and fulfilling relationship where both partners feel heard and valued. So, now that you've learned about women's thoughts and actions, what's next? Maybe explore the physically intimate gestures that women love, or learn how to tell if she's trying to attract you. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights.